Hello, my name is Daniel Townley. I'm a master's candidate at SUNY Binghamton University, and I'm here on behalf of my team to introduce the Business Review Platform, a new concept in online review services. Online review services are an increasingly important sector for our web-based economy. Applications like Yelp and Google Reviews help customers identify or meet their needs by finding appropriate businesses, while at the same time, businesses have become highly dependent on these reviews, which allow them to both find and retain suitable customers. Unfortunately, these services have limitations, particularly from the perspective of business owners. Specifically, the existing set of services provide relatively limited value to businesses in terms of gleaning actionable analytics from the reviews left by potential customers. A reason for this is the way in which these services collect reviews. A service like Yelp will typically encourage a user to leave a single authoritative review which sums up the entirety of their experience with a given business. Although these reviews can be useful to other customers, they lack value to business owners who could benefit from a finer-grained analytics which track the interaction of a user with their business over time. Business Review Platform solves this problem by changing the way that reviews are collected. Rather than eliciting these traditional monolithic reviews, one review to one business, a Business Review Platform encourages users to leave reviews on the basis of transaction. So every time a user interacts with a business, they have the opportunity to leave an updated, renewed review, which encompasses that particular experience with the business. As a result, business users will be able to track how their customers engage with their services over time and understand how the quality of their services have improved or potentially degraded over the passage of time. To make this type of interaction possible, the application relies on an unprecedented level of engagement from reviewers. And in order to facilitate this type of interaction, the Business Review Platform will rely on a highly streamlined and ideally a highly engaging user interface. When a user, or a reviewer rather, first logs into the Business Review Platform, they will be presented immediately with the opportunity to review a business. The selection of the business will be based on geolocation, so that ideally the business being reviewed will be the one in which they are currently patronizing or at which they are currently located. If geolocation is for any reason imprecise, the user will also be presented with the option to select a business from a list of contextually relevant locations. In either case, though, the goal of this interface is to allow users to produce a review with an absolute minimum of effort. As these reviews are collected, they'll become available to business users through a specialized analytics dashboard. This will present statistics on customer engagement over time. In later iterations of the product, this might include machine learning features such as segmentation of the customer base or various clustering algorithms. But even with a minimum of statistics available, this will be an invaluable resource to business owners who establish accounts with our service, allowing them to understand how customer expectations and needs evolve over time. To implement this interface, we'll be using the Ruby language, using the Rails framework for software as a service development. We believe that these tools are appropriate for our application because of the rich opportunities for test and behavior-driven development that they afford. Using tools like Cucumber and RSpec, we plan to iteratively refine our interface over time and our application over time to optimize the experience from the perspective of both the both reviewers and business owners. Thus, pursuing an agile development process, we intend to develop an application which will bridge the gap between customer needs and business services in a seamless and effortless way. Thank you.